So now we've moved to our second tab, which is our diagnostic tests. Again, you'll see the I button here that's going to give you information about how to use the tool as well as links to our help. You'll notice that this map has something a little different than our physician directory. You'll notice it has a number that is beside each of our icons. This number is going to hopefully help you understand the number of various tests that are available at each of these facilities. So the ones here has 7. So this particular health facility in Truro has 7 different tests, diagnostic tests that are available to you. So this map is a little different, but again, you're going to move around the same as you did before by left clicking to move and pan around. Zooming in and zooming out is your center roller button or your plus minus button, or you can just simply click on the actual pin to give you information about that particular facility. So we're going to take a look at our tools down here for our diagnostic tests in the lower left. Again, the first button is your legend to help you interpret what you're looking at on the map. The second button is going to be our search for diagnostic tests. So you're able to search based on the type of healthcare facility. So you can search either for just the hospitals or just the healthcare centers, or if you don't care about either, you don't select either one of them. If you want to look for a particular facility, you can start to type in the name of the facility. So let's say I'm looking for the Cobequid Health Center. Okay, I don't even have to finish it, so if I don't finish it, you can see it'll automatically find any of our facility names that meet those letters. In this case, it's the Cobequid Health Facility Center, and if I click on the point, I can see that there are 4 different diagnostic tests that are there, and I can scroll through them. So there's ultrasound, x-ray, mammograms, as well as CT scans. You'll also notice on each of these, where we have them, there is a wait time. So again, I can click on the wait time, and this will give me the wait times for all of the various places that do CT scans. So actually, you can see the Cobequid Health Center has a wait time of 68 days. Okay. Again, it just opens in a separate tab, and you can easily close out of that. So the other way you can search this particular or filter for this particular data set is actually using the type of test you're looking for. So in this case, it's a drop-down list, and you can check the test or tests you're interested in. So if I'm interested in, for instance, a CAT scan, if I click on that, it's only going to show me those facilities that have CAT scan abilities. Okay, so if I click on the 2 of them, it will be CAT scans or interventional radiology. So again, it will kind of filter down to what you're looking for. Okay, so if I'm looking for a CAT scan, I'm going to then move over to the next tool, which is the Near Me tool, and I can actually enter either a full address, or if I want, I can just enter the name of a community. So in this particular case, maybe I'm going to pick Middle Sackville. Okay, and then and it puts a pin in the community, and here you can see that there is 1 facility that does CAT scans. So it's still using the filtering from the last tool, so any filters that you have applied will still be applied when you come into the Near Me tool. So there is only 1 location within here, 20 kilometers, that have CAT scan. If I want to increase my distance, then I can either use my slide bar, or I can enter a distance here. So maybe I'll say I'm willing to travel 50 kilometers. The circle increase, and you can see there are now 4 different locations that all have CAT scans that may be suitable for my patient. So maybe it's not only where they live, or maybe it's where they work. Okay. So again, you can click on any of these locations, and it's going to give you the information about the location, the contact information, its hours, as well as wait times. The third button, again, is our layer list, which will allow you to turn layers on and off as you see fit. You can also use the measure tool, or again, the about, to help you figure out how to use the tools or how they can be used, as well as our feedback to our survey.